Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you the easiest way to cancel TD insurance in 2025 step by step. Let's get into it. So first of all, gather your policy info. Before you call, have your policy number, personal ID and payment details ready, and you will need this to verify your account and speed up the process. The easiest way to call their customer service directly in Canada, you can reach TD Insurance at the number called 1-866-361-2311 for home or auto insurance. You can find the exact number for your policy on their website or on your policy document. And then when you will get through, tell the agent you would like to cancel your policy. They may ask you are canceling. Just explain your reason, like switching providers or selling your car. They will guide you through any final step and tell you if there are cancellation fee. Before you hang up, ask for confirmation of the cancellations by email or mail. Make sure you don't have any payment left, and if you do, ask about refunds, and that's it. That's the easiest way to cancel TD insurance in 2025. If this helps, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.